Here is how you can get cheats on the new version of PPSSPP. First, open the link in the description. Then after going to the website, click on Code. Then download zip. Now go to Play Store and download ZArchiver. In ZArchiver, open the download file and extract the cheats file that you just downloaded. Now open PPSSPP and open the game you want to add cheats to. Then go to Game Settings, then System, and enable cheats and enable plugins. Now go to Cheats, click Browse, and select the file that you just extracted. And that is how you can get the cheats. Like and subscribe.